Right, so here we go with a bit of an interesting one. I'm not sure how many people have got this, but let's move a couple of things out of the way first. What we have is a window lock, obviously, and when you turn the key, it doesn't lock the window. And this window opens up and to the sides, so it's got a different kind of like opening. So, yeah, the weird thing is, if you turn the handle upside down, as it were, turn the key, that locks, but then the window opens. So it's pretty much not right. What we need to do is turn the handle like so. There's a cover on this particular lock, and we just rotate it like that. We undo the fixing screws. So taking the first one out, you don't need to actually hold the handle. But taking the bottom one out, you want to do it because you don't want this falling down on the floor. So that's it, lock in at the top, we undo the key, we go like that, we pull this to the side, and then we pull this out, like so, and we rotate this bit around, okay, so it's the other way, put this back in. And now, that opens like that, that opens like that, and we've got the option now to lock that, okay? Again, I need to just pull this over like so, move the handle to the side, so we're going to unlock it. If you have the handle down when you're trying to put these screws in, you will start damaging the top of the handle where the screwdriver hits it. So let's just screw that in. It's worth doing this because if the window locks don't work, if you have a break-in and the insurance company look at it and they try the keys and the locks don't work, I'm not sure what would happen. So it's just nice to have these things working. Don't ever tighten these screws. Let me just rotate that back, the cover, and that's it. Locked, unlocked, open, open. And that's it. Right, so let's just do this again on this one. Got loads of these to do. So, same mould, only will lock upright, so it's like 180 out. So, let's get this right. Screws. Okay, so what we're going to do is going to put it back to there, take it out, and then rotate this around, and then pop it back in. That will then open like that, open like that, and more importantly, lock like that. So back to there, shift this cover around if you've got one, and then just pop the screws back in. Yeah, remember when you're on the screws, put the hand back down and then rotate this. So that's closed, open, open, locked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video.